Okay, we're going to look at angles in a parallel line setup. So these two lines are parallel, terribly drawn. You know what, we can actually just get some lines. There we go. Yeah, they look parallel to me. And then we're going to have some line going through them like this. There you go. Try to draw a freehand, goes terribly, but still gets the point across. So we're going to use one of the angle rules for parallel lines, and then we're going to use that to find all of the other angles here. Okay, to show that you don't need to remember Z angles, F angles, C angles, you know, unless they're quizzing that specifically. So if you want to know the names, don't come here, because I'd rather help you with the sort of technique behind it, and so you can find these angles yourself just through reasoning. Okay, obviously in an exam you might have to state the alternate angle theorem, this, that, the other, but hopefully this will give you some background behind it. So one of the theorems gives us that if this is an angle of size A, this is also size A. Now we're going to use what we know about straight lines and opposite angles from the previous upload and apply that here. So we know angles on a straight line add up to 180. So if we call this angle B, we know A plus B is equal to 180. Okay, so that's a good start. We also know then that because this angle in this straight line is equal to 180, if A plus B is equal to 180, this is B, so these two angles are equal. Okay, any angles I give the same layer are equal to each other. Now we know that opposite angles are equal, so this angle's A. Okay, here we have another opposite angle, so this angle's B, and we can do the same up here. So this is opposite B degrees, this is opposite A degrees. So you can see how from just knowing one of the rules we can find all of the other rules. So what I'm saying to you is if you're given if you remember all the rules, but you don't have to use them all. If you're asked to find a couple of angles, these I believe are called co-interior, so they add up to 180, and that once you've got that, you can use straight lines to get all the other and opposite angles to get all the other angles very, very quickly. Okay, so it's not even like the theorem save you that much time. Alright. So another one of the theorems is that these two angles are equal, and that's called Z angles, right? But it's just as easy to go this opposite one's A, and then use the same theorem as here, or this opposite one's A, therefore this is B, these two add up to 180, so that's A. So that's all reasoning, and doing it like that I think helps you with your processing skills for other problems moving forward. But still, hopefully angles isn't too bad of a topic. I know it's something that a lot of people actually quite enjoy, as opposed to some other topics in maths, because you can see it, I guess. But yeah, hopefully this helps you with parallel lines. If you did enjoy the video, please leave it a like. If you didn't, then fair enough. But I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.